bring my grandsons here, and I'm sure they're going to beat your record of 31. I just want you to know that. One of them broke my foot, and he's 11 trying to play against them. So good luck. And I hope you have enough food for all these people. This is an amazing turnout. I really want to just say a few words because Brian and Lauren are friends. They live in Essex. I've known them for a long time. And I've watched this business grow. I've watched them both become part of the community. Brian, as we were setting this up, I said to him, we need to change the night of the Board of Finance meeting for the town to bond. He's an active member of the Board of Finance, the chair of the Economic Development Commission. These are the ways that we give back to our community when we are lucky enough to be successful and work hard enough to have this happen. This is a great building for you guys. I know you've been looking for a long time. I'm very, very excited that you found something local that will continue to help the economy in this area. We all need new employees, so we have to train more people, but I think that that's happening now. More people are interested in manufacturing. Certain jobs are never going to be outsourced by AI. Certain things that we do in this world are really, really going to be supported for a very long time. So I just wish you the best of luck. You're great friends, great people, great community advocates, and I'm here for whatever help I can give you. I thought I was stroking out with these lights, by the way. Some of them go on and off in one at a time. But I hope you took advantage of the state's energy efficiency program as you did this. So thank you and good luck.
Thank you.